Hi, my name is Dan, and this video supports my online sushi course on Udemy.com, and you can learn more about the video lectures in the link below. When it comes to selecting what kind of cucumbers to use for sushi, I strongly suggest using English cucumbers. They're easy to work with because for one, they're typically always straight, and two, the skin is very thin and delicate, so you don't even have to bother with skin in it. And lastly, they're much more consistent in taste. Sometimes when you buy Kirby or your typical garden cukes, they might be spongy and lacking in flavor. So I suggest paying the small premium and upgrade to the English cukes if you can. So as shown before, go ahead and cut the cucumber into sections roughly the width of 4 fingers, and you'll get to see later on why this length is so important. Afterwards, go ahead and quarter it and carefully slice off the seeds and cut each piece into about 3 to 4 slices. You can adjust the thickness if you want. Some people prefer smaller slices because they don't want the hard crunch when they bite down on their sushi, so cut whatever thickness you prefer. So the reason why it's important to cut the cucumbers into the length of roughly 4 fingers is because that is about the length of half a sushi roll. This way you'll get a full coverage from end to end. Also, there are several ways of cutting cucumber for sushi, but the method I show is the most practical way to learn it at home. Some restaurants will fillet the cucumber into a long sheet and then julienne it into smaller sticks, but this takes a really long time to master. But if you do prefer smaller cucumber sticks, there is an easier way to do this. So just like before, cut it into the right length and seed it. Now split it in half and slice it into sticks. This is great if you just want to add a little bit of crunchiness to your sushi roll without too much cucumber. You can try this method and compare it to the first way and see what you like better. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is actually a preview of my course on Udemy. If you want to learn more on how to make sushi at home, please check out the link in the box.